Hello, and welcome to another ChurchBooks3 tutorial. In this video we will demonstrate just how easy it is to create your church letterhead. Let's get started by selecting the Setup button from the main screen. Entering your second-level password will bring you to the Setup module. From here you can change what is shown on your church letterhead. Your letterhead preview is shown at the top of the page. Be sure to click the Update button after making any changes. Your letterhead will appear on all printed reports and materials. You can change the icons at the top of your letterhead. Double-click the logo near the center of this page. Your icon must be located on your local computer. Once you see the dialog box, click the Add button to place the icon directly on your church letterhead. You can change any part of your letterhead such as phone number or email address by entering the data, then clicking the Update button.